Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dhruva Gandhi, and in today's video, I'm going to show you some quick, easy and simple ways using which you can redo your old mobile phone cover. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dhruva Gandhi, and in today's video, I'm going to show you some quick, easy and simple ways using which you can redo your old mobile phone cover.